Hey there, fellow theme park fans, it's Maria. I'm coming to you from the heart of Diagon Alley today, and I want to give you a little look at the line to show you what I'm waiting for. I'm here outside of the Hopping Pot in Diagon Alley, waiting in this line to taste the hot butterbeer that just debuted for the holiday season. Judging by this line, it is definitely a hot commodity, so I'm hoping it's going to be worth the wait. Since I have plenty of time to wait in line, the longer and longer that I stand here, I'm noticing more and more details about this little section of Diagon Alley. You can see the really uneven building structure that's really perfectly themed to how the movies look. We've got the owls over here, as they have in Diagon Alley, and they stretch all the way up. There's even a cute little house elf right up there. I've never noticed any of these little details before. And I'm on the back side here of Fred and George's sweet shop. So the more you look around here, the more you can really take in the details and how perfectly themed they are to the movies. And if you happen to have one of those really cool magic wands, this is a spot that you can do some magic with that wand right there. Be careful though, because you might get wet. She is the hot butterbeer. This is a holiday exclusive item. They began it around Thanksgiving and they will have it until January. So if you want to get this item when you visit Universal, make sure you come during the holidays because they only serve it hot during these wintry months. It's a beautiful day today, but it's not too hot. It's the perfect temperature to enjoy this hot butterbeer. I wanted to show you just what it looked like at the top before I take a drink. It's frothy, it's foamy, it looks like the most appetizing thing ever. And with that really cute butterbeer hot guard on it, it's a really adorable, very Instagrammable drink. I'm going to give it a taste and let you know what I think. So I've tasted it, and it's pretty good. I personally like it a lot better than I like the frozen version, which I did not think I was going to say at all. The foam is served cold, so it's the same cold foam that you'll get on the regular or the frozen butterbeer, and you can see in this case it's actually starting to melt into the drink. But when we were drinking it from the start, you get the foam first, and it's cool, and then underneath it comes the warm drink, and it kind of melts together in your mouth, and it creates a really nice layered, thicker texture in your mouth than if you were to just drink the frozen version, for example. I think it really does just taste like melted butterscotch candies. If you heated them up in a pan and poured them in a glass, this is basically what you'd get. I think it's really tasty, really flavorful. I'm not the biggest butterbeer person, so to me, I will also go out on a limb and say I think it's sweeter than the frozen version. To me, it tastes like a lot more sugar and a lot more of that butterscotch flavor is concentrated into it. So if you love that flavor, you're going to love this drink, absolutely. If you think that the frozen butterbeer is already a little on the sweet side, I might suggest, adding in some of that fire whiskey that they sell on the side. That would definitely knock back the sweetness and probably give it a really nice cinnamon flavor. If I were to get this again, I would get that in it to just try a little something different, maybe to have it be a bit less sweet. But if you're a butterbeer fan, this is like butterbeer times 1,000 flavor level. So I think it's good. Would I get it again? Me, not personally, because I don't like butterbeer, but I'm here with Mike today and he said he would 100% get it again, and I would definitely share it. It's just too sweet to drink the whole thing in my opinion, but overall, I think I would give it a 8 out of 10 in terms of how butterbeer goes. If I was a butterbeer lover, probably even rank a bit higher. But overall, a really nice drink, and it is nice and warm. So if it does get chilly here during the holiday season, you can count on this to absolutely warm you up. Update! So I've been drinking this for a little while, as I'm sure you can tell, based on how much of it has gone. And I really want to say that that foam is melting into the drink. It's kind of just becoming one. There's really not a differentiation between the foam and the butterbeer anymore. And man, is that texture really nice. It's got a really great mouthfeel to it. It's thicker. It feels like you're drinking something super, super decadent and almost like an eggnog texture, but not. It's its own thing. It's a thick butterscotch, really rich, foamy texture, and it's really all melding together into this wonderful holiday, sweet, delicious treat. I'm going to keep sipping that butterbeer because it is super tasty, but I wanted to say thank you so much for watching. As always, please hit that like button. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. It helps me out so much. Happy holidays, everyone, and I'll see you in the parks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for the latest video releases. When you're ready to return to the magic, I'd love to help you get here. Contact me at msalerno@mickeystravels.com. All my services from quote to final booking are always free. See you in the parks!